Every Monday, the Texas Medical Center releases its latest data on the spread of COVID-19 here in the Houston area. And once again, this week, those numbers are showing improvement. KPRC2 health reporter Haley Hernandez is live in the Med Center tonight with a look at that data and a word of caution from top doctors. Haley?
That's right, Chris. First of all, I'm happy to say that the numbers here locally do look good. There is reason to be optimistic, but with the holidays approaching, there's also reason to be cautious. In a meeting with national health experts this morning, Dr. Anthony Fauci said COVID infections are almost within our control, even addressing a time we're hopefully soon approaching where it will be an endemic instead of a pandemic.
That means the virus is still present, but it isn't overwhelming the system of healthcare. It's not disrupting our normal social interactions and our economic interactions, but it hasn't disappeared.
According to the Texas Medical Center, last week, on average, 466 people tested positive per day for COVID-19 in the greater Houston area. That's down from an average of 520 new cases per day the previous week. Last week, on average, TMC admitted 67 new COVID-19 patients per day. That's only slightly up from 63 the week before. Local infectious disease Dr. Luis Ostrowski with UT Health and Memorial Hermann says in order to maintain the good numbers, families have to take personal responsibility next week over the Thanksgiving holiday and going forward.
We continue to have a low level of numbers, but nevertheless, they're there. And we're watching very carefully what's happening in other states in the country where the numbers are actually going up.
Since northern states are not enjoying the decline of COVID cases we're seeing locally, travel across the country next week could be a problem, especially if you're traveling with unvaccinated family members like children. And that is why those health experts encourage families with kids, adults, everyone to get vaccinated. They say that even one dose for the little kids is better than not being vaccinated. And of course, if you're eligible for a booster, they recommend those as well. For now, I'm reporting live in the Texas Medical Center. I'm Haley Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.
Haley, thank you.